home on the lake is the total package. There's a custom home with a finished walkout basement, over 4,000 square feet. There's an amazing shop and there's a barn, all sitting on 13.86 acres. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you have a beautiful entryway with tall ceilings, and there's custom woodwork throughout. The living room has a beautiful vaulted ceiling. There's a very open concept, lots of windows and natural light, 2 stone gas fireplaces, and a very open concept. The gourmet kitchen is open to the living room, the formal dining room, the breakfast area. There are custom maple cabinets, and there's also a breakfast bar. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling with recessed lighting. There's also French doors leading to a covered deck that overlooks the lake and a fabulous bath. Let's go take a look. This master bathroom and walk-in closet is absolutely a wow. Let's check it out. There's a cool rustic covered deck, a grilling station, a loft area, fireplace overlooking the Stock Lake. I mentioned there was an amazing shop. This shop has over 2,600 square feet. There is an office or a man cave with a wet bar, a bath, and lots of shop area. Let's go take a look.